Welcome everyone to another sound light activation. So I hope you can join me either now or save this for later. I invite you to take some gentle and deep breaths, really coming into presence, connecting with Source, with your heart, really returning into your body, feeling all your body sensations, noticing thoughts, emotions, and welcoming yourself exactly as you are. Today, I'm dedicating this sound light activation to eradicating hate from the heart. This is inspired by wonderful Shanti Mai. I hope I can find some words to bring eloquence and light to this before I play, because I will not talk for too long. These times we're living in, the intensity is building and building. Many humans have suffered so much, unspeakable things. There are so many judgments, decisions, groups, this, right, wrong, black, white, up, down, left, beyond. It gets very intense, and some of the time, for example, this week I had some very complicated bureaucracy with a lot of closed doors that gave me sleepless nights and a level of anger. So we have often righteous indignation, but there's a point when it can turn into hatred, and it can be very subtle. And in the field at the moment, somehow hatred is being propagated by these divisive groups, unconsciously, consciously, and it's really important. Our hearts are an altar, a tabernacle of love. So it's really important that we purify our hearts. That does not mean to say we do not speak out against really harmful and wrong actions that are happening. That does not mean we do not discern destructive behaviour and remove ourselves from it and do all we can to speak out and stop it. But it's when we hold resentment, which shifts into hatred, it poisons us, it toxifies our whole system, it toxifies the field. And we need to activate pure love, so we stand in love, in light, in truth. So that's what today is for. And when there is painful emotion, rage, anger, shame, hatred, it's really important to release it, and release it in the ways that you know best. Much therapies, strategies are coming through that enable this. Crystal sound enables a lot of purification, deleting, transmuting, tapping, going into water. Just our very intention to have, I will not hold any hatred in my heart. I will not belittle myself or others, even though I may discern very destructive and harmful things going on around me. I stand for truth, love, light, and that will be however it is for you. It may be a smile, it may be powerful actions, it may be continuing your art, your music, your job in the world, whether it might be cleaning, whatever it is, it's all important. When we hold it in love and grace and remove any toxicity from our hearts, we are powerful. So I hope that's enough words. So calling on the highest and the holiest to be with us here now. I'm feeling the love of all our ancestors who are loving and wise, who went through so much too. There is so much support coming through for humanity from so many realms. So we're activating deepest love into our hearts. So as you're breathing in and out, imagine, sense, visualize that you are under a golden column of light that is cleansing you, connecting you with the earth, with our sun, with the central sun. And let's bring our awareness into our physical heart, into the center of our chest, our heart chakra. Activating mercy, love, courage, our willingness to give and also to receive, the joy of beautiful heart, activating the sacred heart of Miriam, Yeshua, Jesus, Mary, and highest and holiest saints and sages. I witnessed some incredible heart when I was in Navdanya farm with Vandana Shiva. Incredible heart that she holds for our world. So now I will play the sounds. So make yourselves comfortable and sense, imagine, feel that you're breathing love, light, truth into your heart and releasing anything that is not that. And it's an ongoing work in practice. Thank you very much, everyone. We are activating the sacred heart of humanity, the sacred heart of the cosmos, and it is very powerful, very holy, very precious. So take care of your hearts. Much, much love, and have a great week. Thank you, thank you.